Right, so for this problem, we're going to use logarithmic differentiation to find the derivative. So first, we're going to take the logarithm both sides. So we'll have the natural log of y be equal to the natural log of this whole thing. And I'm going to rewrite that square root as the 1/2 power. Now, because of the log properties, we can see that there's, well, not because, but here we have we have a product of x and then x squared plus 1 to the 1/2 power. So we can break this up into two logs using the addition property of logarithms. So we have the natural log of x plus the natural log of x squared plus 1, the 1/2. Furthermore, keeping the left the same, we can bring this 1/2 as a coefficient. So we have the right side equal to the natural log of x plus 1/2 plus 1/2 times the natural log of x squared plus 1. Okay, so now let's take the derivative of both sides. On the left, we're going to use implicit differentiation. So we're going to have 1 over y times dy dx. On the right side, we'll have 1 over x, for the derivative of that, plus 1/2 times the derivative of the inside, which is 2x. All over the inside. It's all over x squared plus 1. Here we can cancel out the 2's. And what we need from each side is to combine these, we're going to need to have the same denominator. So let's keep on going. So we have 1 over y dy dx be equal to, we're going to multiply this by x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 1. And then this one we just need to multiply by x. So this will be plus x over x squared plus 1. Multiplying the top and bottom by x over x. Now we can combine them. So on the right side, you'll get x squared plus 1 plus x squared. So we have 2x squared plus 1 on top. All over x times x squared plus 1. Now what we have to do is we got to get the y to the right side. So just now isolating the dy dx on the left. Multiplying both sides by y. So essentially you want to multiply this whole thing by y. But remember, y is given in terms of x at the beginning. So we're going to rewrite it as x times the square root of x squared plus 1. So multiplying both sides by y, or multiplying both sides by x times x squared plus 1. Now I'll be straight across the top. And that multiplied by 2x squared plus 1 over x times x squared plus 1. Now we just power things down. So let's see what we got. So here, right away, we cancel out x's from the top and bottom. And we have, see what we have on top now is x squared plus 1 to the 1/2 power. It's the same thing as the square root times 2x squared plus 1. And this is this is the same base as the top. It's x squared plus 1. So what we can do with this is we just reduce it. So the bottom is just going to have, it's just going to be x squared plus 1 to the 1/2 power. Or you can put the square root of x squared plus 1. And on top, we'll have 2x squared plus 1. And this will be your derivative, or your dy dx. All right, and there you go. That's all there is to it. I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video.